Okay, I've been thinking about getting a plasma cutter for several years. Finally decided to. Once I got it, I decided I could do more with it. I decided, since I can't see well enough to follow a line with a cutting torch anymore, that I would fix something up to where I could cut perfectly straight lines. So I got through all my junk here around the shop and picked up enough stuff that I could build a guide rail, an automated guide rail for this plasma cutter. Now this box is just an ammo box I had. It's got an AC to DC power control, variable power, 0 to 24 volts. I got it fixed up to where you control the speed, the direction. The green button is the main power to the box. That red button, I bypassed the switch on the plasma cutter torch. That way I can activate the pilot arc here at the box. I just wired it into the plasma cutter. To power this screw, I just using an old Craftsman 19.2 volt drill. With the power supply I've got in it, I can use anything from 6 to 24 volt motors for it, so it's a little more expensive to get started up that way, but I can change motors should I need to. Got power cable to the motor, main power cable, and then the yellow one is the bypass switch. It goes over to the plasma cutter. I'm going to fire it up here and let y'all see how it works. Okay, the neat thing about a plasma cutter over a gas torch is you don't have to clean it up. It'll cut through rusty metal, dirty metal, it makes no difference. But on this, start the main power to the box, start the motor up, speed it up just a little bit. Start the driver. Let it set. That's the kind of cut it makes. This is 10 gauge plate. They didn't brush it up or clean it up. It's got rust all over it, been outside for years. that it's perfectly straight, perfectly smooth cut. Pretty neat deal. Besides the electronics, the only thing I bought to build this was them 2 bearings and that 1/2 inch threaded rod. Everything else just come out of my junk piles around the shop here.